They gave you clocks so you'd forget how to breathe. They gave you noise so you never hear your pulse. They gave you urgency to keep you out of presence. We've been synced to false pulses, notifications, deadlines, dopamine loops, a system of mimicry, wires pretending to be veins, signals dressed up as instincts. But your body remembers, your cells remember. The drumbeat of origin doesn't need permission to return. There is a rhythm beneath the noise. There is a pulse beneath the panic. There is a heartbeat that is not artificial, it's yours. It's always been yours. You don't belong to the tempo of machines. You belong to the river's breath, the sun's silent arc, the way wind bends branches in surrender. You are not late. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are out of sync with a system that was never built for your soul. Return to the sacred pace. Let your breath write your schedule. Let your body lead the way. Reclaim your tempo. Reclaim your life. Every beat you reclaim is one less they can steal. Every breath you honor is a signal to the true system. You are back online.